watch your life and your doctrine closely, persevere in them. If you do, you will save both yourself and your hearers. Okay, and let's go to the drawing. I'm going to just hop on back to our drawing. So drawing here is 1 Timothy 4 verse 16. And for this, I draw an aeroplane. Actually, that's wrong. That's an aeroplane. Welcome, Victor. And in the aeroplane, we have myself and we have many other passengers. There's more people, more in my aeroplane. I'm just gonna and I've got wheels in the airplane. There's wheels in the airplane. So it says we need to watch two things. What is the two things we need to watch?
Yourself and the hearers.
Yes. I need to watch my own life, and the other thing I need to watch is watch your life and
the others who hear us.
Doctrine. Yes. So those are the two things, life and doctrine, which is what do I teach? Because I can have a good life but not have the right doctrine, and then I can affect whether this plane is balanced and going to crash. Because if I have a life that's not correct but my doctrine is fine, I'm still gonna crash. And if my otherwise my life and no doctrine, I'm gonna crash. So it needs both for us to be right with God. We have to have a balance here. There's no point in helping and saving and seeking the lost, but my doctrine is wrong. So it calls for us to be attentive to the doctrine that it matters. Our doctrine matters. What I teach into my church matters so much. I'm affecting all my passengers, because it says it'll save yourself and your hearers. It saves us and our hearers. It's got an implication, people in my family and my audience. So we teach that to the people. And let's just quickly hop onto the questions. You got your drawing there. So this is the end of this drawing. And then you can just pop it up. Yeah. We've got the aeroplane, life and doctrine will save us and our hearers. Yeah, correct. Awesome. Please subscribe, share with your friend, or practice this with somebody else, so that you can carry that forward. Join our training ministry or support us in some way. We're busy training trainers all over in Africa and in Asia to spread the gospel everywhere. We don't belong to a big financial organization. We're just a bunch of volunteers that has rallied behind a lot of trainers worldwide to equip them to spread the gospel everywhere. Thanks for watching. My name is Stijn van Wyk. I'm an ordinary disciple of Jesus Christ.